everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm so excited you could join us today. Happy Friday, everybody. Yay, it's the weekend. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. Today is Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. Now today, I wanted to talk a little bit about our Whisper White Baker's Twine. Now when the new catalog came out June 4th, I was a little sad because usually Stampin' Up! Used to carry in the past, they used to carry a variety of different colors of Baker's Twine, but in this new catalog that went live June 4th, they only had Whisper White, and then they also had this Nature's Twine, which I feel is a little bit thicker, and it just feels different, like it feels very starchy compared to the Whisper White. So I was a little upset, and then I was like, wait a minute, Whisper White is great because now you can customize it to any project you're doing. So no matter what color you need, you can actually customize your Baker's Twine. Now I was playing around, that's why I have some ink on my hand, but I wanted to show you a couple different ways. I have my silicone craft sheet. And all your hands are going to get dirty depending on what you do. Now, there are different ways that you can color your Baker's Twine. Stampin' Up! Has these Stampin' Right markers, and they're awesome. They have two different tips. They have a writing tip, and they have more like a brush tip. Now, when coloring your Baker's Twine, you always want to use the thicker brush tip. I feel is just a little bit easier. And then we also have our Stampin' Blends, and again those come with two different tips. They have the writing tip and they have the brush tip. Now when doing this, you just want to be very careful. You don't want to press down because you don't want to ruin that tip. You kind of want to go on the side, and you just want to, color your Baker's Twine. Now you can do it that way, or you can do it with your re-inker. And what I did earlier, and that's why my hands are all inked up, was because I added my refill in here. And then I dunked my Baker's Twine, and there was a ton of ink. So I just went like this with my fingers because I thought it was easier. I probably should have put a pair of gloves on, and then I wouldn't have the ink on my fingers. But you know what? I don't mind having ink on my fingers because it is kind of a conversational piece when you're out and about. People are like, why are your hands so dirty? Well, I am a card maker, crafter / paper enthusiast. So those are just a few ways that you can color your Whisper White Baker's Twine to match any project you're doing. And also use your Stampin' Up! Ink pads, and you're going to give it a press. And all you're going to do is you're going to take your Baker's Twine, and again, your fingers are going to get dirty, but you can also use your ink pads to change the color of your Baker's Twine. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope to see you back here on Monday. We'll see you then. Take care.